Hey team, wanted to show you how to increase the speech rate. There's a lot of functions under the accessibility menu, but very often if you want to find it the easiest, the text to speech output in a general search, it'll auto suggest text to speech output and get you straight down there to it. And then you can adjust it.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Most people probably.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
That's probably a default setting.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Picture street addresses and Pulsar. Picture zone names that it's saying is. Can you hear that?
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Or would you have to wait for it to play it again?
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
That's pretty good.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
I can hear the beginning and end of every word. The pitch sounds good to me. See where it says preferred search engine towards the top, speech services by Google. If you click this, it can actually let you use different sources, but this is the one. So if you want to install voice data for a different language, you can. Main spoken louder than normal, so it's easier to hear. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna make it a little bit louder so I can hear my alerts. Let's do it a little bit more aggressive. Take a screenshot of that so I can come back and change it. So I don't have any other speech engines installed. If I wanted a new speech engine, I'd go to the Play Store. Speech services by Google's already installed. That's your default one. Look for premium. So you could put in a custom one if you wanted to, but this is good for me. The main purpose of this is for Pulsar. When you go to your settings and you have your enable text to speech down below the slot down here, enable TTS and TTS message content instead of you have a new response. So it actually tells you information